Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching Tech. We're always trying different Android mods to give new features to older Android versions. New OnePlus devices like OnePlus 13 series got new OxygenOS 15 updates, have new software features which are not available for all other mid or low-end OnePlus devices. One of that is the OxygenOS 15 phone dialer, which have some of interesting features like ongoing calls notification in a live alerts, call recording for any region, call blacklist, and AI call summary. So we got some tricks to make this new phone dialer ported from ColorOS firmware of OnePlus 13s device, which have some of these features fully working. Today in this video we are going to review all of those working features of this latest dialer, its limitations, and at the end I have shown how to use this mod. So don't skip any part of this video, watch it till the end. Now without further delay, let's get started. This latest modded OnePlus dialer will work for any OnePlus device running with official OxygenOS 15 or ported OxygenOS 15 build. I am using ported OxygenOS 15 V820 version on my OnePlus 9RT and it's working very well on this build. So I updated my OnePlus dialer with this latest version 15.80.25. Please must watch the installation timeline of this video for proper working of this dialer on any device. This dialer basically have same old user interface for phone with contact application and for this new dialer screen, but it has some great features. Dialer have all essential options, but here we got one of this new feature called as notes. We'll talk about this soon, but first we'll check out some important features. One of that is a call recording. This dialer enables call recording on your OnePlus device for any region. You will find the recorded calls in a call log section with small recording icon. In the settings under call recording option, you can customize call recording, like you can record all calls or you can set recording for specific numbers with recording limits. You get all recorded calls in a view call recording option also. User interface of this dialer is same like old ColorOS dialer with new incoming calls animation for accepting and rejection of calls. The great new feature of this dialer is that it supports live alert notifications for ongoing calls. You can switch between full screen call mode or can minimize ongoing calls in a live alerts. Most of us already waiting for a long time for this and finally using this modded ColorOS dialer, it's available now. Next in the setting of dialer, you can switch between banner or full screen mode of incoming calls. Banner mode only gives you heads up notifications of incoming call like this one, while full screen mode opens all incoming calls in a full screen without any heads up notification. Next is called Blacklist and filter feature is fully working, so you can filter all contacts and can block any specific numbers without any issues. When you receive call from blocked or filter contacts, you will get notifications of such blocked calls in a notification panel. Finally, the most important feature is a new AI call summary, but unfortunately it's not working for this modded dialer. When you tap on the Notes application, it opens OnePlus Notes application with automatically created headline of notes of ongoing calls, contact name. But written note summary of calls will not be generated here, which is a key feature of OnePlus new AI voice assistant. I hope we will enjoy this feature also with upcoming updates of this modded application. So finally, you will ask how to enable and use this dialer. Remember, for now, you need Magix or kernels to root access. Download this latest ColorOS Magix module from the link given in the video description. Flash the module via Magix and reboot your device. Now you have to install and update your inbuilt applications, like first one is a block and filter APK. Download and install this for proper working of call block and filter feature of new ColorOS dialer. Next, you have to install new version of contacts application. You also need to install new messaging application, new phone manager and phone app. All of these are latest ColorOS applications which are needed for proper working of new ColorOS dialer. So you will seamlessly get all notification messages, you can record calls, you can block and filter any contact numbers, you can enjoy a new live alert feature of new dialer. Only call note summary is not working. For now only rooted OnePlus Oxygen OS 15 users can enjoy this dialer. I hope it will be available for all non-rooted users in future. Once I will get its fully working version, I will definitely release another video. Until then, please stay tuned to our channel by subscribing our channel and pressing bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.